Hello everyone, you won't believe what I have for you today. It's a brilliant, yes, I said brilliant, and it is. Just see for yourself, have a look at this. Isn't this amazing? Sometimes I'm just too stuck for words to describe how fantastic this is, and this is for free, and this is for you. So let's start our tutorial for today. First, go to Prom AI. I will leave the link in the description and I will not forget about you, of course. So then what do? You just describe your prompt. Now let's choose our style. You have so many to choose from and they're absolutely stunning. Have a look at this. Wow, I love it, don't you? You can also choose the ratio and that's it, generate. Look at the stunning results. Ooh, wow, marvelous, isn't it? Well, now all you have to do is use your imagination and start creating. So if you like this video, do like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button, please. And I'll be coming back for more with these amazing tools, free tools for you. Bye bye for now.